All right, what's going on, guys? How you doing? All right, we got the shocks here that we're gonna put in. We're gonna get rid of these cheapy shocks, and we got these Traxxas. I think GPM. Oh, not GPM, but GTR or something like that. Um, hold on. Let me just get all this over here. Just gonna. I got that one, and I think this is. All right, we got some. I got a 3D print a thing for my tools. Gotta build one, like design it. So, see what we got in here for shock oil. I think we got it. So, whoa, 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 whoa. All right, so I think we overkilled it on that a little bit. We'll be all right with that one. So we're just gonna lean that over there. And this is the short one, right? Yeah. So this is the blue. So So we got that shock. Alright, get this tall one. Alright, this should be good enough to the top. And then this is the one with the black. Because we had the springs. We'll just have to adjust because these springs don't need to be all the way up. I know the Rustler doesn't have them all the way. These are the same. These are kind of the same shocks as a Rustler. So we'll be, yeah, we'll be adjusting those. Alright, let me see. Alright, sorry. Somebody was texting me. This thing does not come out. So we'll just have to. Let's see. Give it a second. So I wonder if those go on the top of the chassis, but where's the ones that go on the bottom? Like, they give you 4 to go where? I mean, I have hardware I'm going to use. But like, they give you only like 4 screws to mount 8 things. Like, doesn't that make sense? It doesn't even make sense to even have, like, it's, yeah. What's that gun at? uses those. So we'll just see what we got here. So it looks like we can use that one. I have hardware, so I might as well use it, you know. Whatever, it is what it is. I mean, if I need it, I need it. So I might as well just use it. We might figure out that. Maybe we'll just leave that washer there. We'll have to mess with that. But yeah, we're putting these shocks in here, oil-filled ones, and yeah, we're just getting rid of those old aluminum crappy ones that I had. I don't even know they were aftermarket, but I went and got these here. I should have got these a long time ago. I was looking for the best shocks for this thing, but they had like some cheap plastic. Yeah. I don't know if they were spring ones or no, they're probably oil filled, but they're real cheap. They're the ones that come like on the Rustler, or not equivalent to Rustler, because they have a different mounting. But these I can adjust the rear on these. But yeah, they're these here. These, I don't remember what these are. Pretty cheap. They're kind of alright, but pain in the butt. It's all sand, I guess, and packed in there or something. I mean, I don't know. Last time I might have had it out. I don't remember. But yeah, I ordered. But yeah, this is kind of part 2. Kind of part 2 of that video. The first video is part 1. This is part 2. I need to find all my stuff, all my wrench. I need the sand out of at least enough to get this out. I can't wait to get this ripping out again. Especially with the different shocks, stuff like that. I mean, it was floppy, but I don't know if it's the ability of the shocks, but I have to. I'm definitely gonna have to do something with the what you call it on this. Oh well. Yeah, we gotta. Alright, I think we're good for now. The only thing I think we might have to do is up these shocks. Only other thing I can think of is maybe I might have to get a different. I might have to use that 50 weight. I might have to use this 50 weight right here. It's heavier stuff. We'll have to find out. Even though this stuff comes with the shocks, but I don't know. This other stuff here, shock oil, but we'll see because we have to we have to loosen these up. Kind of like spring them up, get them sprung up and stuff. We'll see. I'll adjust them and loose down lower or something like that. We'll see what happens. Might not have them up that high. There's a body. It might look weird. So we wanted to sit lower. We might have to. Let's see if we can lower it a little bit. I should have got these shocks a long time ago for this thing. I mean, they're basically, I think, the same shocks. The equivalent shocks to the Stampede or the Rustler. Ah, the Rustler. Oh yeah, that definitely sits better. That sits much lower. I think sits much lower. That's definitely badass. It's definitely badass. I got clips at outside. Clips. I got a pack of clips, so I know. I need to clean this bench off. This bench is getting to the point where it's like, you kind of see it like. That definitely sits pretty low with those shocks and stuff like that. So I can't wait to get this back out again. It definitely looks bad. Looks sweet. All right, if you don't mind, please thumbs up this video. We'll be getting this ripping out sometime. Checking it out. All right, I think I'm gonna downsize that. I don't remember what gearing it is in there, but I think I'm gonna basically put it down to the 54 spur and the 13 tooth pinion, because you can get 40 with it. It's fun that way. I've gone fast with it. You can only go so fast after a while. It just gets old, and it'll thermal shut down. So, and after like 10 minutes, it's like, dude, it's not that fun. So, all right. So, thank you for checking out the video. Thumbs it up if you don't mind, and subscribe if you like the content. All right. Check you out later.